Wow, that last one was awesome, and this is going to be really awesome as well. Okay, now we can continue using this parameter like I mentioned in the last session, but tweak it a little bit. Let's tweak it a little bit. Okay, so let's comment that out, and then we're going to add the code here. And basically, we're going to use what we call widgets. I'm going to show you. So basically, we're going to do dbutils, okay, dot widgets, all right, dot text, and then we're going to put in year, and then we're going to say, right, comma, and then we're going to put a text here, say enter year so we can just do enter year 2005 like 2005. Okay, this might not be, let's just let me write we'll just say eg, for example, 2005, and then we close that. Okay, and then we're going to copy this for month as well. And then I'm going to just delete all of this, and then we'll call this month, and then we're going to say enter month, and then we're going to just say example, we'll say 07, and then we're going to retrieve this. Okay, yeah, it's basically helping me out here. So we're just going to say year get, so save this year as a variable, right? Get year and month. Okay, now let's run this. You're going to see what happens. Okay, now you can see it's giving you this field to fill in, right? And you just need to fill that in. So we're gonna be months, you know, we want to run for 09, right? So September 09, and then here we're gonna put 2005, right? And so that's gonna be passed down to year and month, and then our other functions are just gonna work as expected. Let's run that, enter. All right, so if you just even write let's write a code just to make sure that we have, let's say, display bracket year comma month. You can see it will show you exactly, you can see 2005 and 09. It's telling you that this year and month has been populated as expected. Then we're going to run all of our code again, right? And we should see more data. So we're going to run everything again, and then we should see more data coming through here. Don't forget this is 67, so we should get more data. Okay, all right, so let's see, make sure that the code runs completely before we check. Just now it shows it's run fine. All right, it's saving this. Is preparing the taxi trip data. That's great. All right, it's working as expected. Okay, all right, so all of this is running well. And then the Redshift should work as well. So it's loading the data. Okay, awesome. All right, so let's run this, which is beautiful. You can see we now have 99 records. Okay, so let's bring in the Power BI, and then we should just refresh, and we should see the data. Wow. Awesome, guys, that's it. That's really it. All right, so now we have all the data that we need. All right, so in the next session we will build some reports here and to display, to showcase the work we have done, and then we'll be able to wrap up this particular episode. It's really been exciting. There's so many things we can still do here, but just so that we can wrap up this session, we're going to be able to just wrap up with the dashboard, and we'll call it. We'll end this session here, and then there will still be more session for Databricks. There's a lot of exciting things to be able to automate here. With that, I will say thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next session.